Hi guys, my name is Swapna and have done graduation from Hyderabad. Coming to my Jspiders journey, I took admission on November 2025. So it's been like six and a half months for me here. So what I have learned during this process, I have learned so many things. Either it's a personal growth, either it's a professional growth. Coming to my educational, I have took Java full stack. Java full stack I'm done with now currently SQL and web, and currently I'm going with advanced Java. So between ongoing advanced Java class, I got my job. The trainers here are really very skilled, very helpful. They will just teach you in a manner that in an easy way that you will get the topic, and it will be remembered in your brain for like forever. Like I'm really grateful. I have my own experience. I have experienced that own, like I'm not that good as I could say that. But coming to this institute, I have developed so many things. Like I have gained so many confidence. My communication skills are far better in my past. And my education, of course, I have developed so many knowledges in like Java, SQL, and this HTML, Python, Java, sorry, HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. What I can say is I'm really grateful. With the help of them only, I have cracked my job.